Stress builds quietly inside your body when your thoughts race faster than your breath can follow.
Most people try to escape stress, but the real power comes from learning how to slow it down.
Your body already has a natural system designed to calm you when you activate it correctly.
The first habit is controlled breathing, which signals safety to your brain and relaxes your entire system. Slowly inhale through your nose while counting to 4, then gently exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. This breathing pattern reduces cortisol levels and shifts your nervous system toward a calmer state naturally.
The second habit is stepping outside into natural light, even if it is just for a few minutes.
Sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which directly impacts stress, energy, and emotional stability. When your body feels aligned with natural light cycles, your mind becomes clearer and more focused.
The third habit is movement, but not intense exercise, rather slow and mindful physical activity.
Walking calmly allows your body to release built-up tension while maintaining a steady and relaxed rhythm. Each step you take becomes a signal that you are safe and in control again.
The fourth habit is hydration, because even mild dehydration can increase feelings of anxiety and stress. Drinking water consistently helps your brain function properly and stabilizes your overall emotional state.
When your body is nourished, your mind has fewer reasons to trigger unnecessary stress responses.
The fifth habit is reducing digital noise by stepping away from constant notifications and endless information. Your brain needs space to process thoughts without being overwhelmed by continuous external stimulation.
Silence creates clarity, and clarity allows your mind to regain control over emotional reactions.
The sixth habit is practicing gratitude, which shifts your focus away from problems toward meaningful, positive experiences. Even small moments of appreciation can rewire your brain to perceive life in a calmer way.
Gratitude lowers stress hormones by replacing fear-driven thinking with grounded awareness and emotional balance.
The seventh habit is quality sleep, which is essential for resetting your body and restoring mental clarity. Sleep allows your brain to process stress and remove the emotional weight accumulated throughout the day.
Without proper rest, stress hormones remain elevated and continue affecting your mood and decisions negatively.
Creating a simple nighttime routine can signal your body that it is time to relax and recover. Consistency in sleep patterns strengthens your ability to manage stress during waking hours effectively.
These habits are simple, but their impact becomes powerful when practiced consistently and intentionally every day. You do not need perfection, you only need commitment to small actions that guide your body toward calmness. Each habit works together to reduce stress gradually, instead of forcing your mind into sudden change. Your body responds best to steady signals of safety, not aggressive attempts to eliminate stress instantly.
By repeating these habits, you train your nervous system to recognize calm as your new normal state.
Over time, stress no longer controls you because your body learns how to return to balance quickly. This process is not about avoiding stress, but about building resilience and inner control consistently.
Every calm breath you take becomes a reminder that you have the ability to regulate your emotions.
Every step you walk reinforces the idea that progress happens through simple, steady movement forward.
Every moment of silence teaches your mind that peace is always available when you choose it. These habits are your tools, and with practice, they become part of your natural daily behavior.
The more you repeat them, the less effort it takes to maintain a calm and focused mindset.
Your environment may remain chaotic, but your internal state can stay steady and controlled. True strength is not the absence of stress, but the ability to remain calm within it. You are building that strength every time you choose these habits over reactive behaviors.
The change may feel small at first, but consistency transforms small actions into lasting results.
Your body begins to trust you when you respond with calm instead of panic or avoidance. Trust between your mind and body is the foundation of long-term emotional stability and peace. You are not chasing calm, you are creating it through intentional and repeatable daily actions.
Each day becomes an opportunity to strengthen your control over stress and emotional responses. You deserve a mind that feels clear, a body that feels relaxed, and a life that feels balanced.
These habits are simple, but their effect is profound when you give them time to work.
Start small, stay consistent, and allow your body to gradually return to its natural calm state.
Within hours, you will notice the difference, and within weeks, you will feel transformed completely.
This is not a quick fix, it is a sustainable path toward a calmer and more controlled life.
The power has always been within you, waiting for consistent action to bring it forward. Now is the moment to begin, not perfectly, but with intention and steady commitment.